So let's delete that. And zoom in with it. Another characteristic is that we have the cursor, and if I click one time, it fixes my cursor, and if I move the mouse to the right, to the left, I will do a green square selection. So for instance here, I do a green square selection, and everything that the green square touch, it will be selected by the software. It will be understood as it was selected. So let me repeat. I click one time, I fix my cursor, and when I move to the right, to the left, I do the green square. So this is it. On the other hand, if I click one time in my screen and I move the mouse from the left to the right, I will do a blue square, and the blue square will only select objects that are fully involved. For instance, I have a reduction here, and if I use the green square right from the left, if I touch in any part of the reduction, I will select the reduction, and I can do the other commands that I want. On the other hand, if I do the blue square, I need to do the full selection of the reducer to have that selected. So this is the main difference between the two kinds of selection.